In this video I'm showing you how you can get the amazing classic negative look for all cameras. But first, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, thanks. The Fuji X-T5 and 4 already have this amazing film simulation, but other Fuji cameras like Fuji X-T1, 2 and 3 not. Because at least Fuji says so. These cameras are different and can't have it. Personally, I think this is not true. Fuji just wants to sell more X-T4s and 5s probably, but nonetheless, now we can pretty much have the same for any camera brand. The user Syme has created that classic neg look for Capture One, Lightroom and even as a LUT. I have linked his upload down in the description of this video if you want to try it out. If you apply that classic negative preset, it will basically look like this. I have adjusted his preset to my liking by boosting the saturation and also switched off his red channel adjustment. I think this is a great solution if you want that classic negative look for your photos, and it will work for any camera brand like Sony, Nikon, Canon and so on. I will get the X-T5 and then I will have that look in the camera, but in the meanwhile this will work. Hope this is useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.